Navigating the world of AI tokens can be overwhelming. Whether it's finding the right token, trading it, or even launching your own, the process often feels super complicated. But with Stars AI Token Marketplace, the whole process is now simplified, making it easy to discover, trade, and launch AI-powered tokens all in one place. So in order for you not to be left behind in the AI revolution, let me walk you through Stars AI Marketplace, the present and future of AI tokens and agents trading. Together, we would go through the key features, including how to discover tokens, trade them, and even launch your own tokens. So let's dive in. First, let's assess the marketplace. Visit stars.pro/AI market. This homepage gives you direct access to the AI agent market. This is where you can discover various AI tokens and even create your own agent. To find AI powered tokens that suits your needs in this market, you can explore the page or filter by latest or oldest. First, let's connect our wallet, which can be done in the top right corner. Now that my wallet is connected, we can keep exploring. With the AI agent and token search feature, you can easily use the search bar to look for specific tokens. For example, let's search for the Genesis agent by TARS. As you can see, it is really fast and simple to use. Once you see your desired AI token or agent you have an interest in from the details like market cap and 24-hour volume provided on the homepage, click on it to get more information. Once you click on it, you can see the agent information, contract address, market cap, 24 hours volume, social frameworks, language model, and the creator details, which can be expanded to see like their full bio, including details like number of agents deployed, token holdings, and followings. There's also a follow button if you like what the creator is building. You can easily buy and sell from this page as well, and as you can see the charts clearly. To buy, just select the preferred token you want to buy with, either TAR or SOL, and enter the amount. Click buy token and complete the transaction. The social integrations, feed, and status section are here to give you more information on the popularity of the agent and its token to aid your conviction before investing or buying. You can see how easy and straightforward it is to find and access tokens on TARS marketplace based on your preferences. Going back to the home page, the profile section gives you access to your profile, where you can edit your profile by adding your preferred display picture, username, and bio. You can also see information on agents you have deployed, your token holdings, and other creators you are following. The analytics and experimental labs are amazing features that are coming soon to TARS, so stick around for my video on those features along with other updates to the TARS marketplace. Finally, to create your own AI agent in a simple step and at a cheap cost, click Create Agent, upload your desired picture, enter your agent's name, click Continue, and then describe how you want your agents to be by answering the questions like what would your agents be like, what's your agent's area of interest and expertise, how do you want your agents to communicate, and what's your agent's personality. Click Continue and then set the token name, ticker, token description, and your initial buy amount. Then click Create, and just like that, you have brought your very own AI agent to life. Now that you have seen this detailed walkthrough on how to navigate the TARS AI token marketplace, get started today and begin exploring the exciting world of AI powered tokens. Whether you are discovering new tokens, trading them effortlessly, or creating your own AI agent, TARS has everything you need in one place. So make your mark today, use TARS to build, trade, and launch with confidence. Visit stars.pro/AI market.